Hey guys, here's another phrase that you really need to know. When you start talking to your teacher, and the teacher says, "Hey, your name? How's it going?" The students do this. I'm not going. No, it's nothing about going. It's nothing about going. It just means how are you? We say this so automatically that we don't even realize that it's confusing. This is what we say. It's really super common. How's it going? You say, great. What about you? It's that simple. Be back for more later.